Good afternoon and welcome to G More Life. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick tube change for your grease gun or your cordless powered grease gun. This is a dewalt, and most of your tube changes should probably be the same for any other grease guns. So just going to show you how to do this real quick. First of all, go and pull back the plunger and lock it back. There's a little slot on the back. Just pull it back. And get it locked back into the position back here. And then we're just going to unscrew it. All right, once you got it unscrewed, got the empty cartridge, just take it out, grab by the lip, have somewhere place that you want to put it, that you don't want to put on anything you don't want to get dirty. Set it here on the table. Take your new cartridge, like so. There's going to be a one end. It's going to be a little cap on it, a little plastic cap. Take that end off. That goes in first. Slide it in. Once you get it in there, and there's a little pull tab on the top. Take it and pull off the top. Once you get the top off, you're going to take your grease gun, put it in, screw it down. And I don't screw it all the way down at first. I leave it. Let's see, it got tight there. I back it off just a little bit. I'll take and release the plunger. Now, there's a air valve here, but a lot of times the way I did it was a loose screw. You can loosen the air valve up, and we'll see if we need to in a second. But I can leave the plunger out, so when you're using a grease gun, as you use it, this will go down and kind of tell you how much grease you got left. Or you can push it all the way in. I'll show you in a second. But let's go and got a grease rag. Go and see if it works. So it is working. If it wasn't working, what you can do is open up the little valve here, and it will bleed any air out. That's one reason I leave it unscrewed. It kind of helps bleed the air out. But you can see here in a second, see how it's starting to push the grease out? That's good. So if it was air, it wouldn't be coming out. It would be just air. And now I'll just tighten it back down. So the system's bled, and ready to go. And like I said, I leave that out, and as you use the grease, it'll tell you how much grease you got left. Or you can take it and you can push it on down, not to worry about it hitting anything, and just use it until your grease gun quits. You hear it change the sounds. So that's a quick how-to. If you like this video, like, subscribe. If you don't, leave a negative comment. That helps out on the algorithm. And as always, thank you for watching.